Hello, this is CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. Today, I'm going to show you the project e-commerce. First specification, the models. We have access besides the user model, the listing model, the bits model, and comments model, and also the categories and watch lists model. So as you can see, I'm not logged in, so I'm not able to create any new listing. So let's log in as a user Snoopy and a password, and as soon as log in, I'll be able to create any new listing. So let's create a new item. New item is going to be Lean Six Sigma Pocketbook, title, and then a description. We have the option to add an URL image if we want to, which in this case it is true. We have no category or category for any item. In this case, this is a book and the system has a category called books. And finally, we have to define a price, and as soon as we submit the button, it's going to be under the active listing, the new item. Now let's talk about the listing page specification, where I'm going to show you in really high speed the features of watchlist, bits, how to close an action, how to see who won an action, and how users are able to add comments. Okay, let's go in detail again about the watch list. In this case, with the user Snoopy, he doesn't have any on his watch list, so we're going to add some items to the watch list. As you can see, the Lean Six Sigma packet, the cross jump rope, and also the Tonka Classic toy. So now if we go to the watch list, we can see those three items, and we can remove also. We're going to remove Tonka, and it doesn't belong any longer to the watch list. Okay, let's talk about the categories feature. I have new items on my active listing page. So with toys, books, gym equipment. So if I go into my categories, we can see that we have toy, gym, fashion, no category. For example, no category, I have an item. If I go to books, I have two items in that category, or if I go to a gym, I have two categories also in that category, and I don't have nothing in the fashion listing. Now let's talk about the admin user, who is able to view, add, edit, and delete any listing, comment, or bid made on the site. And this is CS50